Hi, I'm Stephanie.
Hey, it's Kara, and we are Virtually Kindergarten.
Today we're going to be sharing some fun back-to-school activities you can do with your children.
And these activities are great for any grade level, but we love the idea of really celebrating a child starting kindergarten. And you can also do them with your child whether they are learning at home or in a brick and mortar classroom. The first thing we're going to talk about are our favorite back-to-school books. And we have so many favorites, so we try to narrow it down to our top 5.
Okay, so the first 2 I chose are The Night Before Kindergarten, which is a great one, and then my absolute favorite is The Kissing Hand. What 2 did you choose?
I chose All Are Welcome, and this is a new favorite. It's called The Pigeon Has to Go to School.
Okay, and then we both had our number 5 pick is a shared one, and we chose The First Day Jitters.
And we're going to be sharing a fun activity you can do with your child after reading this book. It's a drink you can make that will get rid of any jitters that they might be feeling about starting school.
Awesome, and we are going to put that recipe and a great poem that goes along with it in the comments below.
Another fun idea is to make something called Ready Confetti. So you can buy confetti, or like we did, just make your own and sprinkle some under your child's pillow the night before they start school. And it just gets them excited and ready to start school the next day.
They love it. This was always one of my favorite activities.
And there's a really fun poem that goes along with the Ready Confetti, which we're going to link below.
Awesome. Okay, we don't want you to forget to take a picture of your child's first day of kindergarten. And we're going to link this below too so that you can use this if you would like to and print it out. You can also interview them and find out their favorites and make sure to record those. So you can buy them pre-made at places like Michael's. I've seen them at Target Dollar Spot. And if not, we are going to also link below an already made interview form for you.
Yeah, it's really fun for them to look back on their favorites when they get older.